As you know, or as you don't know, if you're using GoHighLevel and if you're using AI voice receptionists or AI voice agents, conversational AI, or really any AI tool inside GoHighLevel, you are being charged per use, okay? So if we take a look at this right here, as you can see, we're getting charged per use for conversation AI, which is an AI chatbot. And as you can see, this is the gross charge here. You can kind of see it. You're going to sign up to GoHighLevel anyway. Why not do it with my own link? You get extra 30-day free trial along with my private community access, free snapshots, and a full system for selling AI to local businesses. You will sign up to GoHighLevel either way. Why not sign up through someone that can actually teach you? And the best part, it costs you nothing extra. The link is down below. We're also getting charged for AI Studio Chat, right? We're getting charged for SKI. We're getting charged for Voice AI. So in this case, if you click on Voice AI, we can, go here and see the whole breakdown about this particular charge, right? We have $3 and, everything is pretty much calculated in those $3, like LLM, voice engine, text to speech, and stuff like that. So essentially, this is a big problem if you want to go and if you want to sell the, obviously the AI receptionists or conversation AI smart websites, anything like that. So right now, what GoHighLevel actually has, if you go to AI Suite and if you go to plans here, you would be able to enable the free AI. And as you can see, this is completely for 90 days, okay, from June 1st, it was like 2 days ago, to August 31st, okay? And you have 90 days remaining for this particular kind of like offer, okay? So you can enable this for free right here. So you can click enable free AI. And then as you can see here, you will need to select which kind of sub account you want to enable this for. And which sub account is eligible, as you can see. So currently only this sub account is eligible. Now, as you can see here, you need to review your sub account and their free AI eligibility. Now, the sub account is eligible based on a couple of criteria. Make sure to watch this video right here and you will be able to see exactly which criteria it is. But then, you just go activate free AI for one sub account, right? And then as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. You have pay as you go, which is usually, right? This is included. Now it's free. So everything is free. Usually what you would need to do is you would need to use AI employee, which is $97 per sub account. Okay. Let's say you're working with a client and, you are selling them AI voice receptionist. That AI voice receptionist is going to be pay per use. In this case, it's not going to be pay per use because you have, obviously the 90 days, right, of free AI. Here it says 60, but here, as you can see, it says 30 more. So you get 90 days of free AI. And usually you would need to pay $97 for that pretty much, okay? So this is how it looks like, and then you go to billing and growth options. Now you can also go here to get free AI, and you would be able to go here and see more information about this. So as you can see, it's free until 31st of August. So AI Studio, SKI, Email AI, Workflows AI, and Funnel AI are all free. And as you can see here, you have Conversation AI, Voice AI, Reviews AI, Content AI, and Prompt Optimizer as well. Free in the 30-day free trial. Now, if you want to get this and if you don't have GoHighLevel, then I would advise you to click on my link below and you will get 30 days free GoHighLevel. Plus, you can get this 30 or 90 days of free AI, which is really cool. Plus, you will also be able to get into my community, free community as well with some freebies, okay? And you would be able to get, access to a lot of different, stuff that I'm working on and that I'm helping. So, this is pretty much it, right? For now, as you can see, obviously just want to click, I want a free AI, and that is going to be right again on the same window right here. Now, there are also some summer offers here, but this is more so for those of you who already have GoHighLevel. And again, this is going to be expiring in 4 days. So here, as you can see, if you click here, now it's going to actually go and show. As you can see, if we click here, we'll get all of these like exclusive summer savings. Now, these summer savings, again, are just for those of you who already have GoHighLevel. Maybe you're already paying it and you want to just go and save some additional money right here and there. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how you can use GoHighLevel AI features for free. Just for this summer again. However, if you want to use them for free all along, then you can go to this AI employee. Usually there is an AI employee here. I don't know why it's lagging here, but yeah, usually you will have an AI employee. Right now you don't have AI employee because this is the AI employee offer. So usually you would need to pay $97 per sub account to have all of these like free AI features. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, then definitely comment below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.